Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue west on I-94 in Wisconsin. We begin 58 miles from the Minnesota border on the western edge of Eau Claire County. We enter Dunn County, which comprises the Menominee Micropolitan Statistical Area and is included in the Eau Claire-Menominee Combined Statistical Area. Dunn County had a population of 45,440 as of the 2020 census. The county was formed in 1854, organized in 1857, and named for Charles Dunn, the territory's first Supreme Court Chief Justice. We passed through the village of Elk Mound. Elk Mound is the home of the purportedly fictional Carl Gerbschmidt, a Green Bay Packers fan who appears as a guest on a popular Minnesota sports radio show. The story goes that Gerbschmidt bought Brett Favre's pickup truck on eBay, outbidding himself several times in the process. But when Favre signed with the Minnesota Vikings in 2009, he set the truck on fire. Despite rumors that Carl is a fictional character invented by the host of the show, he claims to have driven his RV to the Minnesota State Fair to prove his existence, but couldn't find a place to park, so he turned around and went home. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the new super thanks button if you enjoy our videos. We enter the city of Menominee, the county seat of Dunn County, with a population of 16,843 as of the 2020 census. The city was named for the Menominee tribe native to the area, although the city's name is spelled differently. The lumber industry brought permanent settlement to the area in the 1800s. By 1873, a local lumber mill, Knapp Stout & Company, had become the largest lumber corporation in the world. Menominee was incorporated as a city in 1882. The lumber mill closed in 1901, and part of the facility became the world's first outboard motor factory. In 1902, the nation's first agricultural high school was opened, the Dunn County School of Agriculture and Domestic Economy. Today, the city is home to the University of Wisconsin-Stout and a campus of Chippewa Valley Technical College. We conclude today's video at mile marker 34. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.